Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to add membership in WooCommerce. First, you'll need to select a reliable membership plugin. There are several excellent options available, often with free and premium versions. Once you've made your choice, install and activate it directly from your WordPress dashboard. After activation, navigate to the plugin settings to begin the initial configuration process. This foundational step is crucial for setting up your membership site effectively. Next, you'll create your membership plans. Think about different tiers, like a basic plan for $10 per month or a premium plan for $25 per month. For each plan, specify the pricing, whether it's a one-time fee or a recurring subscription, and its duration. You'll also define what content members can access, such as exclusive articles, videos, or product discounts. This step structures your entire membership offering. Now, let's integrate your memberships with your store and content. You can link membership plans directly to specific WooCommerce products, making them exclusive to members. Furthermore, restrict access to certain pages, posts, or even entire categories of content, ensuring only paying members can view them. Consider offering special perks like a 10% discount on all store items or free shipping on orders over $50. This adds significant value for your members. Finally, managing your memberships is an ongoing process. You'll want to regularly monitor your active members, checking their subscription statuses and renewal dates. Most plugins provide a dashboard where you can easily view and manage individual members. You can also manually add new members or remove existing ones if necessary. Utilize the reporting features to gain insights into your membership growth and engagement, helping you refine your offerings over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.